So just about to go and check in. This is the ALTON TOWERS Hotel. There are 3 hotels: CBeebies Land, Splash Landings Hotel just over in the distance. This is the classic ALTON TOWERS Hotel. So we've been to the park here this morning. So going to the hotel now. It looks very nice from the outside. Probably helps that it's a sunny day here in the UK. But let's go head on inside, see how it is. This water fountain is really nice, isn't it? The Explorer style, and we've got the theme to the rooms as well. Now there's a personal doorbell. Press me. I'm not going to press it. I don't know what's going to happen there. It's telling me to. I'm not going to. So you can do the check-in over on the far side, but there are automatic check-in machines that you can use and be given your room key. Coffee shop over on the far side, shop just on the left-hand side as you walk in. And you've got steps going anywhere. So you go up to the different rooms here. I'm down on the 2nd floor, so this is the first floor down there with the galleon. We'll go have a closer look at that. 2nd floor there, 3rd and 4th floor. It's really nice. So down on the 2nd floor, all checked in. Somewhere to sit here. Again, themey stuff. It feels really nice when you got here. Lifts on this side, Porter's Lodge, where they're going to keep all of your bags and everything. They've been very friendly. We walked in, checked in. It's been very friendly indeed. So we'll go around to here. This is nice. Look, you've got the tables. Big chair for sitting. Great photo opportunity here with the books and the library area. Details of everything going on here at the hotel as well. So just through here. Booked into room 103. The corridor looks really nice. Lots of decor. And this is the Explorer room, room 103. Bathroom to the left. We've got some hangers, ironing board, shelf up the top here. We've got a fan in the room, obviously tying into the sort of ancient explorers theme, along with the sort of decor that we've got here. That's almost like a nightlight look. With the bed, there we go. Bed just a very soft bed. We've got there 2 sort of side cabinets with all the lights. The lights are really nice on the side. Again, it tied into the theme. We look across the top here. Got that sort of lovely, all the books on there, so almost library-like. It's the Pirates on here. We've got, it does turn into a bunk bed, I think. I think there's a 2nd bed that pulls out under there as well. So, you know, you could have another couple of people in here as well. I mean, it's a little narrow for an adult, I think it might be. Room with the curtains, let's have a little look out here. I can just see people walking about. Oh, it's quite a nice view. The fountain in the distance. Very nice. You can also sit out there. It's a nice sunny day as well, which is quite nice. Carpets and the curtains, blackout curtains, which is good. With the theme. I do like this table. That's very nice, isn't it? With the compass, chair, television, quite small, not too bad. Cups, milk, sugars, teas, etc. So what we've got in the cupboards. There is a, looks like it's stuck in there. There we go, there's a hairdryer in there. Not soft close. Not much else in there, very clunky. We have there, little bin, another little side chair. So we've got like the soft bed. Let's just check out those pillows. They seem quite sort of medium soft. We've got here nice little details on the bed as well. So all in all, it's quite nice. Hopefully we'll sleep well in here. And the pattern across the carpet, it does look great. I think online it did say that was a bunk bed, but it's just a bed with a little pull-out bed underneath it. It's not really a bunk bed, not that you can sleep on just there. Nice decor across the room all in all. That looks very nice. Let's check out the bathroom. Okay, so going into the bathroom. Sink. Just here we've got some hand and body wash. Socket for shavers. It's quite compact. Towels. Toilet just here. It's quite quiet. It's not a soft close toilet. I didn't expect that with it doesn't have a soft close on the doors, on the cupboards as well. Again, theming. That's what it's all about. We've got the shower, the bath. Details about the shower screen. Open the shower screen before stepping in. Body wash, shampoo in here. Got the mixer. Very nice and clean shower head. Do like that. Sometimes they just a little bit dirty where the water's on. But all in all, the theme carries through. And a bath, which is nice. Tend not to get so many of those abroad. But here in the UK, baths are quite common in hotel rooms. Somewhere to hang your towels up to. It's actually quite a nice little bathroom. Very compact. Everything you need. Thanks for watching Things to Do and Places to Go. Please subscribe to the channel. Well, let's go have a little look around the hotel. Now, if we look down here, we've got the restaurant just down there and the bar. Lovely, beautiful theming. Just across here, this is actually the first floor, no, the second floor. Got gaming machines, little games room. What we've got? A Daytona, love that. Guitar Hero, Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games. Little prize machines and tickets. Just walked out onto the balcony. Wanted to have a little look. So my room is just over here, and this is what I could see from the bedroom for this area. I just thought I'd come and have a look. The sun was shining. Look at the grounds. Of course, you have Alton Tower grounds. It's very beautiful, but this is the whole hotel just here. Well, that's very nice, isn't it? A little duck pond, somewhere to sit and drink your coffee, maybe even eat your breakfast in the morning. Little bridge just over in the distance there. Little gazebo. And this is a different hotel just over here, because there are, I think, 3 different hotels that we've got. This is the CBeebies Land Hotel. In silver bright colours. I think that's the one that I'm currently staying in. And there's also the Splash Landings Hotel, which has a water park. I'll go back into the hotel. More chairs. So here we go. This is the ship. Design has not been designed as play equipment. Do not play on it. They must do some things there, because there's some little displays and singing and stuff. Look at the speakers and everything in there. And there is a chair. We've got a Dragon's Bar over here, the Captain's Bar in the distance, and we've got the Secret Garden restaurant. This is where breakfast will be in the morning. Very nice. Look, the Captain's Bar over there isn't open. A nice little look down here. Plenty of places to sit. The Alton Towers Hotel. Signposted.
Time for breakfast at the Secret Garden restaurant on the ground floor. Now, as you go in, you can really see the theming here too. It is sort of based around that garden gazebo type look. Now, as you head over to the far side of the restaurant, this is where you'll find your buffet. Sausages, bacons, hash browns, mushrooms, tomatoes, beans, fried eggs and scrambled eggs can be found on the Help Yourself buffet. There's also a selection of pastries, including muffins, croissants and hot pancakes available too. There's plenty of seating available in the restaurant, some bench seats plus smaller tables. For your drinks, hot water is provided for teas, and there are also coffees with a selection of milks, including soy milk. Cereals, smaller selection of cereals you'll see with whole milk and skimmed milk, and a selection of berries and fruits that you can find too. There's 2 toasters and a selection of bread. If you'd like juice to go with your breakfast, well, you're in luck. There's apple juice, orange juice, and the red berry juice, which was very nice. I did like that one. So that's the Secret Garden restaurant. Lots of seats, lots of tables, and it is a buffet style. Overall, what did we think of our stay at the ALTON Towers Hotel? One disappointing thing, hardly any sockets in the room. Only this one with 2 USB ports. That was it. Nothing else in there. The room itself was excellent. Very clean, very comfortable. Would we stay here again? Absolutely. Tying it in with the trip to ALTON Towers, it was definitely worth it. Really do hope you enjoyed this video. There are many more on our channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. From all of us here at Things to Do and Places to Go, take care.